Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5211 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the housing cover. Re-engage the fasteners. Retighten the hose clamp. You have to pinch the clamp to get the bolt to catch. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.